आज की डेट में फैशन सबके सर पे ही बैठा हुआ है। आई हैव अ गुड फेस, आई शुड ट्राई फॉर मॉडलिंग। बट रैम्प के लिए एक अच्छे फेस के अलावा क्या चीजें इंपॉर्टेंट होनी चाहिए?
Fit, healthy body. You are basically a moving mannequin who has to exhibit a garment. The garment is bigger than you, but you have to do justice to it. The walk is very, very important. Is the most important thing for ramp. So practicing your walk or seeing how you walk and honing your skill there is very, very important. The other thing is when you're doing a ramp show, every show director gives you a brief that this is the show, this is what the show is about, and this is the mood I want. Every show is a unique concept. You have to be a part of the whole wheel. You cannot be one person standing out doing your own thing when everybody. So that is also important.
सो जैसे कि हम जानते हैं कि आज की डेट में फैशन इतना आई थिंक आज की डेट में सबके सर पे ही बैठा हुआ है। आई थिंक एंड एवरी प्रोफेशन में सबको एक बार ट्राई करना है मॉडलिंग।
Yes, you could say
एवरीवन
that.
इज लाइक कि मैंने समटाइम ऐसा देखा भी, ओ आई हैव अ गुड फेस, आई शुड ट्राई फॉर मॉडलिंग, बट मे बी इज गुड फॉर द शूट्स। आप बताइए कि रैम्प के लिए एक अच्छे फेस के अलावा क्या चीजें इंपॉर्टेंट होनी चाहिए और ये जरूरी है एक अच्छा मॉडल आपको बनने के लिए, ताकि आपको डिजाइनर्स आपसे इम्प्रेस हो, आपको बुक करें, फैशन वीक्स आपको बुक करें।
Like I said before, you have to have a fit body mostly. I mean, there is inclusivity, but inclusivity is still beginning. It's not going to be there in every show. If you want to be a regular model, you have to be someone who, in some form of, it could be yoga, it could be dancing, it could be the gym, but you have to have a fit, healthy body because you are basically a moving mannequin who has to exhibit a garment. The garment is bigger than you, but you have to do justice to it. I will say I have a good face, he has a good face, he has a good face. Everybody is beautiful to me. There's nobody, yes, you are handsome, so you think, oh, I'm very handsome and others are not, but everybody is beautiful. If everybody is well kept, clean, comes out neatly, is in good health and good fit shape, can be a model, is what I would say. That's the one thing. The walk is very, very important. Is the most important thing for ramp. So practicing your walk or seeing how you walk and honing your skill there is very, very important. You cannot have a very slouchy. It's basically the ones who are rising up are the ones who are doing justice to the garment. The other thing is when you're doing a ramp show, every show director gives you a brief that this is the show, this is what the show is about, and this is the mood I want. The ones who we take for the openings and closings are the ones who have understood the brief and are able to deliver. A lot of the in-between models will still do their same walk. 2-4 होंगे जो brief के साथ अगर बोला है कि आपका somber appearance है and are able to do it, या बोला है that be extra free, और बोला है that it's more Bollywood, you know, listen to the brief.
Exactly.
And you have to be versatile. You cannot say ये मेरा style है, मैं हर show में यही style करूँगा because I did very well in that. No, you are there as part of a team.
You need to keep surprising people.
You
audience.
need to see if there is a mood to the show. Every show is a unique concept. You have to be a part of the whole wheel. You cannot be one person standing out doing your own thing when everybody. So that is also important.
I totally agree with you because ये मैं बहुत ज़्यादा personally follow करता हूँ। And
Listening to the brief and
every brief I listened carefully. वो song मुझे याद रहता है।
Very
उस song
good.
की हर beats याद रहती है मुझे।
that is why you are successful.
And more importantly, I change my whole walk according to the mood.
That's what I'm trying to say. That is exactly what I'm
And
saying.
उसके लिए मुझे वहाँ पे available होना पड़ता है। So उस time मैं कुछ ध्यान नहीं रखता, मैं किसी से बात नहीं करता। मेरा focus actually इस brief में होता है।
That is what I'm trying to say, Xander. There are such few who do that. The rest of them think they're on their phone while the brief is given. They're chatting. They're more interested in अब बाहर जाके चाय पी ले.
But actually they pretend कि इसे cool दिखता है, but वैसा है नहीं कुछ।
नहीं है.
You have to be
You make
like-
out on the ramp. You can figure out who's correct and who's wrong. You can pretend all you want, but the correct thing comes out on ramp.
But वो सही जगह पे अगर आप वो pretend करो या I think वो show करो तो उसका benefit होता है। अगर
हाँ.
गलत जगह में करोगे तो वो backfire
हाँ. That's
so maybe
true.
शायद choreographers और maybe designers मुझे ये serious ही नहीं है यार। And personally I believe जो senior models हैं उन्हें show बनाने के लिए नहीं, show बचाने के लिए बुलाया जाता है।
Of course.
ये
So
बहुत
even
बार हुआ है हमारे
if
साथ।
see nowadays also because of a financial reason, हर show में हम बहुत सारे newcomers लेते हैं. One, of course, there's newness, there's freshness, but you cannot put a show together with only new people because simply because they don't have the experience of openings, closings, leading lineup, picking up the show if it's dropping. Newcomers will make mistakes. We do very few rehearsals. We don't have days of rehearsal. We do a few hours of rehearsal. So there are the senior models or the more seasoned models, the ones jinke foundation pe show chalta hai. That's why we always have a mix.
Because I have seen most of the time, and even also मुझे भी वो opportunities मिली है कि कभी-कभार designers नहीं use करते showstopper, and they use model as a showstopper.
Which I think should be correct. I
I've
find
seen
that
Lakshmi,
correct.
Sonalika, Kanishta, sometime me,
Yeah.
Manu is there, Saud is there. Designers को पूरा भरोसा होता है कि यही हमारा close show करेगा या opening. And ये aspiring models में या जो अभी कर रहे हैं, I think उनका ये सपना होता है कि कब
Hoga, you also have bid your time. None of you who are opening and closing started a show with just that.
Yeah.
You also went through the steps. You have proven your worth, is why the designer trusts you or the show director trusts you. Opening and closing of the show is the most crucial part. बाकी तो walk ही walk है. Opening और closing में ही तो drama होता है.
सबसे
And the drama doesn't mean you overdoing it. Drama means you exhibiting correctly with the light. You're not overwhelmed by it. The music is new. You have to know the cue. You have to know the lighting. You have a lot more to know. And then you walk.